Yeah, here we in BK, collaborate, check this. First time when I saw you, baby girl, you looking so fine. You standing there, I could look into your eyes. I came to holler, and then you holler back, thinking about me. And every day when I see you coming through, and I keep on trying so hard, but I just gotta make you mine. And that's all that matters. It's all about you and me now. But when I got you in my arms, everything's okay now. And then we'll be getting dating, and everything was going fine, okay? Cause you know everything, what I do with you every day. And baby girl, you gotta understand, first time when we dated, I hold your hand and I told you that I really love you. I keep you in my heart and I'll never ever hurt you. And now you gotta see, baby girl, I ain't the man. You gotta think about it, cause I do whatever I can just to make you happy, and just to make you see that you are the only girl for me. And I will always be the truly one, and I treat you so right. So baby girl, come on, I love you through the night. You in my dreams. And I can still remember all the time that we had together. And we went to the theater and we watched the movie. And I take it to the mall and I buy you all the stuff that you needed. And you know, you ain't a gold digger, so I gotta understand that I always be the truly one for you. And baby girl, now it's time for us to start a life, start a future. You know it's all good, you and me together, having children forever. And you know it's all good, can you feel my lyrics? Cause I wanted you to see that I love you really so true. So now baby girl, I got you in my arms. You'll always be my wife and I keep you safe from harm. And now it's time for us to step into the next level. We gotta find ways to be together, even though now we did. So let's start a family together, then I'll show you how much I love you. Sometimes, and even though I made you cry, you hurt my feelings, but it's all deep inside, it's alright. I forgive you. Every time we argue now, I can see you cry, cause I know you love me, baby, and I wanted you to see you are the only one, and I will always be there for you. No matter what happens, I'll always be here for you. And baby girl, even though sometimes we get mad, and I can see that you really wanna hit me, but it's alright. Go ahead and express your feelings, and I see it's alright. So baby girl, I just wanted you to know, tonight is the night for us, a feeling to show. And baby girl, it's all good, with you right in my arms. I know I'm just a little nigga, but it's all good. So come on baby, let me express everything.